Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about more money and how you can get more money by way of focusing on your financial goals. You have to make sure that you're focusing at all times on your financial goals. I know that there are so many things that you could be doing today or that you would like to be doing, but I just want to drop a few nuggets on you just so that you will be aware of how you can just save a little bit of money, which can over time accumulate to a nice little nest egg by doing just a few simple things and staying focused on your financial goal. You want to make sure that as you are living your life and you're adjusting to things like at work, you may get a salary increase. And as you get a salary increase, you want to make sure that you're not spending every dime that you are making, your new increase. You want to make sure that you are actually taking your time and you're saving that money. It would be great if you can maintain the same level of spending that you have currently or that you had before you got an increase. That would be huge because everything that you've gotten on your increase will then be money that's saved that you could do things with that will help you build your independent wealth. I mean, it would be great if you could do that. But also just being smart with your money. You want to make sure that if you know that there's a need within your home, you know that you're going to have to at some point, or you would like to remodel a bathroom. You want to make sure that you're spending your money over a period of time and you're not impulsive, because impulsive spending is not good and could lead to bad and poor decision making. So you want to make sure that if you have to replace or you would like to remodel your bathroom, that you're actually doing it piece by piece so that you can spend less and you can also find those deals, those sales over a period of time. So you wouldn't be front loading your expense and possibly missing the opportunity of those deals. You would go after one item after the other. You would go for the tub first and then maybe the toilets. Then you would look for flooring over a period of time. That goes the same for remodeling the kitchen. If you know that you currently have black appliances and you would love some stainless steel appliances, over a period of time, strategically replace one after the other. That way you won't take a huge hit, your savings won't take a huge hit, and you'll have the opportunity to actually gather the best deals for those products that you love to purchase. You want to also make sure that you stay focused on your financial goals. And another way that you could actually do so is think about it. If you like coffee, I love coffee, and many of you love coffee, but I want you to think about how much does a cup of coffee cost at some of these stores, these restaurants. You know, some of these restaurants, you could pay $5 to $10 a cup of coffee. And if you're anything like me and you really like coffee, you may have 1 or 2 cups a day. So anywhere from $10 to $20 a day on coffee. And if you think about it over a period of a month, that's anywhere from $300 to $600 that you could potentially spend on coffee alone. So instead of spending that money, you definitely probably want to get your Keurig at home or any type of coffee maker, get you some grounded coffee and start actually making your coffee at home and watch the savings grow. It just grows. Even when it comes to sandwiches and eating out, if you start eating at home, and you think about it, the average meal, if you eat one meal, it's probably around anywhere $15 to $20 for a basic meal, combos sometimes. But if you start making those meals at home, you can buy a loaf of bread and get you some sliced meat, deli meat, some cheese, and make your sandwiches at home, or take your lunch from home. You could save that money over a period of time. And over a period of time, you're talking about a huge savings by just modifying just what you do. Or even if you don't stop eating out every day or all day, at least reduce the number of times that you're eating out, and you will see a huge savings. These are things that we can do, every day to reduce the amount of spending and increase the amount of savings. So employ these things, do them, but definitely keep your mind on your financial goal. Don't lose sight of your goal, because if you lose sight of your goal, then you're going to spend more money. And before you know it, you're going to spend all the money that you have on savings. So definitely employ these things. Reduce the amount of spend for things that you can do at home or things that you can do for yourself. That will save you a huge amount of money. Another thing is consign your clothing. If you you have a lot of clothing, a lot of shoes, go to a consignment shop. Those consignment shops will, sometimes they'll front load you with the money and they'll give you the money up front. And then sometimes they will only give you money when they've sold your items and they'll give you the agreed upon price. And if you go that route, by all means, don't take exactly what they're offering up front. Bargain with them. Get what you think your items are worth. But again, that's something that you can make money from. If you're not using it, then definitely get rid of it and keep your mind on your goal. You're trying to save money. You're trying to enhance your livelihood. You're trying to change your wealth status and your financial health status. So these are just some very small, simple things that you can do to help you reach your goal. But also, you can't do it unless you stay focused on your financial goal. All right? I hope this stuff is very helpful for you. Please like, share, and comment on this video. If there's anything you would like for me to touch bases on, by all means, please share it below. All right? Thanks a lot. Until next time.